Hola, bonjour, ni hao ma, hello. Man, I don't even, my brain is, I just pressed record. Didn't even take a break to wipe the sweat from my mind. I can feel the little men inside my skull crawling and trying to escape all my brain cells. Like, no, you're in there, you're gonna work. We're gonna get the treasure chest. We're on number 3. We're doing 3 and 4 today. Of these crown treasure chest levels, whatever. Purple crowns. 3 mistakes. Alright, I got you, man. Je suis une femme et tu es une fille. Whoa. Yeah, yes, yeah, that's right. They're right. Tu es un chat. Yep, you were a cat. Tu es un cheval et je suis un homme. Tu es un cheval et je suis un homme. Whoa, they're getting longer sentences, man.
Un chat et un cheval.
Un chat et un cheval. Take the English, so a cat and a horse. Cat and a horse. A cat and a horse. Un chat et un cheval. It's a dog. C'est. Yes, c'est un chien. C'est un chien? I think so.
C'est un cheval.
C'est un cheval. It's a horse. It is a horse. I'm losing my voice from just doing these lessons. It's a cat. C'est un chat. C'est un chat. It's a cat. Halfway.
C'est un chien.
C'est un chien. It's a dog. It is a dog. It is a dog. I just want to get to the end. It's a horse. C'est un cheval. C'est un cheval. Oops. Cheval. C'est un cheval. C'est un cheval.
C'est un chat.
C'est un chat. I like how they keep repeating the 3. I'll stick with it. C'est un chat. It is a cat. C'est un chat. A dog and a horse. Un chien. Un chien et un cheval. Chevalier. Un chien et un cheval. Is it E-T though? Is it E-S or E-S-T? I think it's E-T, man. Oh.
Tu es un chien.
Tu es un chien? Are you a dog? Tu es un chien? Tu es, yes, Paul. Paul. Are you a dog? Tu es un chien? Tu es un chien? Tu es un. Tu es un chien. You don't say the N, eh? Tu es un. Just realize that. Are you a cat? Tu es un chat? Tu es un chien. Tu es un. No. That is not. Tu es un chat? With a question mark, but I'm just going to leave it like that. 1. Bam! 1 more to go. And we will have victory. Samurai Bird Warrior couple. 90 XP. Man, that's crazy. Ooh, I'm flying today. Oh, it'll be a noisy one.
Welcome back to learning.
Welcome back to learning. You little sorcerer. Yeah, out of my face. Oh, here we go. Let's jump right back in. Last one. You're going to see me open the treasure chest. What is in there? It better be something amazing, man. Like a hand reaches through and massages my mind.
C'est une pizza.
C'est une pizza. So, it's a pizza. It is a pizza. It's just easier to type it is than it's. You gotta go through all these buttons to get to the comma or the apostrophe. C'est une pizza. Wait, I still have all my hearts? Okay. Tu manges. Nope.
Mange.
Tu manges.
Mange.
Et un chat mange.
Mange. Un chat et une pizza.
Un chat et une pizza. So, a cat and a pizza. Un chat et une pizza. A cat and a pizza. E.T. Okay. Un chien mange. Et tu manges.
Mange.
Tu always has that S with it. So I gathered that much.
Une orange et un croissant.
Une orange et un croissant. My tooth hurts. Am I grinding? Une orange et un croissant. So, an orange and a croissant. Type the English. So, an orange and a croissant. Une orange. Whoa, what is that? An orange. Where did that GE come from? Une orange et un croissant. An orange and a croissant. What's going on here? My mind's just flipping random letters out there in panic or something. Paul mange un croissant.
Un croissant et une orange.
Un croissant et une orange. So a croissant and an orange. A croissant and an orange. Un croissant et une orange. Ooh, so close. Marie mange. Marie mange. Please be right. Please be right. Yeah.
Tu manges une pizza.
Tu manges une pizza. You are eating a pizza. You are eating a pizza. Tu manges une pizza. A cat and a pizza. Un chat et une pizza. Is that right? Un chat et une pizza.
Une fille mange un croissant.
Une fille mange un croissant. So a girl is eating a croissant. A girl, a lot of English typing on this one, is eating a croissant. Une fille mange un croissant. A girl is eating a croissant. Sounds about right to me. Une orange. Oh man, I can't even speak anymore. Une orange. Une orange. A woman is eating an orange, so une femme mange une orange. Une femme mange. I forgot to put the N there. Une femme mange une orange. Do I have to do 60 on this one? Oh, okay, it's just the hearts there. You are eating a croissant. Tu manges, with an S, un croissant. Tu manges un croissant. Please be right. You are eating an orange. So, tu manges une orange. Tu manges une orange with an S, because it goes with tu. We done? We done? Oh, the suspense! Lesson complete. Come on, give me a double. 45. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. What is that? Jello. Eliminate dust, okay? I eliminate dust with water. What do I get? Come on. Oh, it's just a crown, man. Oh, it's not a treasure chest? I think I'm heartbroken right now. I thought that was a treasure chest all this time, man. Oh, I did those lessons for nothing? Oh, look at that. Nah. I don't have any friends. I just sit in my house and make French videos all day long. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go have a pity party somewhere else. This video's over. I didn't get to open a treasure chest. Maybe I could do like a free one. Watch a video. Oh, we got some kind of wildfire reward. Oh yeah. So I'm on a 3-day streak, even though it's been like 2 weeks for you guys. I just sit here and I kind of try to keep the videos around like 10 minutes. Any longer than that, and then people just like, I don't care. I don't want to learn French with this guy. 25 gems. Oh yeah. Wow, level 5 Sage. 1000 XP. And some gems. Awesome. Don't crash. Oh, you're gonna throw a commercial at me? Okay. How do I invite friends? That's what my Facebook friends, is that what they want? Refer friends to get remove ads and get unlimited hearts for free. Yeah, for 2 weeks probably or something like that. Alrighty. I started the Spanish one, I just abandoned it though. I have other ways of dabbling in Spanish. I like Duolingo French because I need it. I need to learn how to type and stuff. Alright, this video's over. Hope you enjoyed it.